Hello guys, we are recording now in, the Oxcast public server. It's the Yorkmore. And
the
we
server
also
is lagging
we got our new friend, Mr. Teeter.
Yeah, hi.
And this server is funny because you can hit people.
What the heck? Don't fucking hit me. I'm trying to drink a cup of tea and fucking don't hit me.
Okay, so
What the? Some
Just
kind
knock
of
on that, kill him.
we
Kill him! Come on!
are also fans of the Oxcast. Maybe you are fans of the Oxcast. You can get into the server and see the Yorkmore.
Could you please help here? I'm almost getting killed.
I'm going.
What the fucking more? And he killed me.
I'm killing him with this flower. I'm just taking a flower if I could.
Alright, what the
But
heck?
I can't take a flower. This
Alright.
it's just
After him.
yes,
Go.
fan public server. You cannot do
Fuck
many
you.
things. Oh, maybe.
Ah,
I think you are going to go a long way.
yes, sorry. We are just trying to kill that guy that killed me before.
So just
Idiot.
the Yorkmore was funny to
Alright,
see.
let's get back. He's afraid for us. Yes.
Ooh.
Kill him.
Fucking noob.
Okay,
Alright.
reach the top to get the treasure. So this is okay. My computer is lagging.
Yeah, mine's like.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, guys, we are back.
What the hell just happened? I'm in a goddamn ice tower.
Whoa,
What the hell?
what the hell?
What the hell is this?
Before it was,
Am I at?
before it was stone. Okay.
Wait a second.
Yeah, where are you guys?
Trying to get.
Trying to get up that tower, but I don't.
Maybe you can cheat.
Just happened. Yes.
I'm
maybe.
cheating. I'm
It will
cheating.
just cheat
I think
as
I
we-
cheat, actually.
Why is it an ice tower now?
Okay. Where do you get up? I need to go up.
Oh my god, I'm almost dying. Oh no, I don't.
Okay.
Actually,
This is
no,
not. This is not hard. Okay.
why
Okay.
is this fucking shit made of ice? Hate this shit. But damn fuck! I fell down. Alright. I'll just stay down here. You guys can go to the top.
This is not. Ah! Fuck.
Oh my god, it's Piva 3 from the Yoxcast new episode.
Feel free.
He's down here.
Is that?
Right down here. He's standing right in front of me. Oh my god.
It's people free. Hello. Big fan. I'm a big fan.
Where are you guys?
Do you think we should push him, hit him or something?
Just try to hit him. I got 3 torches.
What the
What the
fuck?
hell?
Ah!
Oh my god, some idiot with a honeydew costume just fuck.
Did you die too?
No, he didn't touch me. He's just running away.
Oh my
But
god,
the
that's
thing is,
cool.
I-
He's in the server.
Hey, where are you guys?
I don't know what she.
We
he's
are
doing.
down
I still, I can't hit him.
maybe
yeah.
he's up.
Yeah.
What
What the hell? Some.
Ah!
You. Oh my god! What the hell is? Why is every fucking man? in
It's
this
what's his name?
trying to kill me?
Okay, he's running. Yeah, he's scared.
He's afraid of us.
What do you
I
got
would
in your
like to
hand?
assault
What do you got?
Diamond fucking sword.
What do you got in your hand?
It's torches.
Fuck! He's trying to kill me.
I'm scared. I wanna go home. But
Okay,
our
I'm
regular
trying to
server
hit him.
is closed down for now. We can't. Yes, and look at my new skin. Actually, I've made it myself. Look at my
But
new
not.
skin.
Where? Oh yeah.
Oh damn! What the hell?
You also got a new skin. I also got a new skin.
Beautiful skin. Made it myself.
I got no beer.
About 2 hours, something. Oh, all right. Half an hour.
So what? Is he just going to stand there or?
just going to stand there and do nothing. What is...
I'm
Let's just
pushing him.
wait.
I'm pushing him.
I'll stay wait the whole night if it.
I don't think it's going to be night.
Then I will stay here. The fuck. It's what is the clock? The clock is what is it? It's it's 8 a.m. about.
Yeah.
No,
So
not AM. What the hell am I talking? PM. Yes.
is the whole episode going to be where we just standing and look at him?
We're just going to
nothing.
stand right here and look at him. All this episode. Yeah.
He's actually recording one of the episodes. It's a live. What it's called?
Hey guys, come on to me.
Where are you?
I'm at the top.
It's the best day of my life.
Halfways.
We can't get up there. It's too hard.
The whole entire tower is made of ice. We can't get up there.
I fall down. Hey.
Do you think he's the right person or what? Question.
Quite sure that's him, but I don't think that he's doing anything. He's probably just stand there and do nothing.
Where are you?
I'm out here.
I can see you. I can see you.
Down here. Turn around.
Oh my god. Okay, maybe you have see that
I got half a life back. Fucking don't hit me or I'll die.
Sorry, yeah.
I got 3.
Can I take this cactus? Can I take this cactus?
Hey, where are you?
Can't place the torch.
Oh,
Just
there.
down the tower.
It's getting dark.
Just get down. Let's go to Mount Jogmore and yeah, let's just go over there and see what's happens. Let's see if we can get inside the heads of the famous.
I think it's
Lewis.
cool to meet someone you have seen on YouTube.
It's awesome. He's so famous. He's only been in 1 episode, but he's famous. Anyways. Alright.
I don't think anyone knows here who he is.
Pretty much not. Or maybe they all do. But they
Actually, do you think he's the right person?
I think he's the right person. I just don't think that he's at his computer right now. I think he's maybe...
This is some
I don't know
bullshit.
what he's doing, but... Yeah, I'll see if I can get inside this creeper thing.
You can't get inside. I have tried.
Alright, just
I go
get
to
inside
Lois' house. What the fuck?
It's Ixophus. Oh my god! A damn fucking shit! I died. I just hit that man standing right there.
Okay, I'm trying to get Lois' head. Lois, I think. So. Okay.
How did you get it? How did you get in there?
I'm just walking, but
Swimming?
swimming.
Maybe we can get inside. No, alright, yes, I might get into the honeydew set if I just swim out the water. That's a great idea. Yeah.
What do you do?
Trying to get up there.
I can't get in. I can't get in. I don't think you can't get in.
Whose faces is on this yeah, what is it? Statue, monument thing. It's Honeydew, Xfos, Old Peculiar, and
Computer.
Creeper.
That's a nice ring you got there.
Some kind of idiot just pushed me down. I'm almost at the top. Almost there. I'm dead. And I can't get inside any of the heads. Alright.
I'm behind the heads. I'm behind the heads.
Alright, I'll try to find you. And yeah.
But I can't get in.
Damn shit.
Hey, come with me. I'm down in a cave.
What?
Nah, it's not funny.
Come to spawn.
Yeah. Oh, there's some iron doors here.
Okay. There's houses over here.
Awesome, I'll go through.
That's a nice house you got. Got over there.
Yeah, there. Let's see if I can go around.
Okay, guys, this was just what we want to show you, that we
Oh damn!
love.
Fell down.
Oh,
We love
not-
the Yogscast.
yeah.
You have to see the Yogscast if you haven't yet.
it's a big
also
fail if you haven't.
very big fail. Epic fail. No, not
Epic
epic.
fail.
Just a fail. But whatever.
Okay.
Just see it.
I can see Indiana Jones. So there.
Also, there's some text over here.
Text. What?
Wait, it's you there. Hello, buddy.
Where?
I can see. Alright, maybe it's just my computer lagging. Alright, that's pretty much. Oh my god, there's lots of zombies and monsters in there.
Oh. You don't want to hit me.
Behind you, alright, that's.